Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nail Sasson. We're back at it with another nostalgic snack from my childhood, but today we're gonna make oatmeal cream pies. This recipe includes rolled oats, salt, milk, all-purpose flour, baking soda, sugar, 2 eggs, ground cinnamon, brown sugar, vanilla extract, powdered sugar, and unsalted butter. In a large bowl, cream together 2 sticks of softened unsalted butter, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, and half a cup of granulated sugar until smooth. After that, crack in 2 eggs, one at a time, then stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1½ cups of AP flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of cinnamon, and half teaspoon of salt. Alright, it's time to gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. And once the dry ingredients are just combined, stir in 3 cups of rolled oats until evenly distributed. Now drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, freeze for 30 minutes to prevent spreading, then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Okay, now onto the filling. In a large bowl, cream 2 sticks of softened unsalted butter until smooth and fluffy. Then, gradually add in 3 cups of powdered sugar, beating until well combined. Stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of milk. For the milk, make sure to add 1 tablespoon at a time until the filling reaches a smooth and spreadable consistency. Alright, time to assemble. Be sure to let the cookies cool down for 30 minutes on a wire rack before assembling because we do not want the filling to melt. But to assemble these delicious oatmeal cream pies, all you really have to do is match up cookies of similar size, spread a generous amount of filling onto the flat side of one cookie, top with another cookie, flat side down, to create a sandwich. Then repeat with the remaining cookies and filling. Oh my gosh, just looking at these cookies, it's really bringing back my childhood right now. Alright guys, the oatmeal cream pies are done. I'm gonna try it and I won't cap. Oh my gosh, I got a good feeling about this. Mm. Damn. I got nothing to say right now. I have to be completely honest with you. I already feel like this is a lot better than the store brand. That's all I gotta say. And in here, it's buttery, it's nice and crunchy. And like the frosting in the middle gives it like a little bit of a good paste, you know? And I really feel like whenever you get the ones from the store, it's not even real cream or anything. Like, but for this one right here, like you can, like once you look like closer or anything like that, or if I just, do this with my finger, you see the frosting, you can definitely tell it's homemade. Whenever you get the ones from the stores, like you don't get that feeling at all. But yeah, I mean, the thing is, I'll be honest, with the cookie itself, it's actually really good already. But thing is that I don't mind the paste in the middle, you know? But growing up, I used to love the store-bought cream pies. Trust me, they were so good. Growing up, I never understood why they were called cream pies. It's not even a pie. It's pretty much like a sandwich. You pretty much have like cookie and frosting and then a cookie on top. Like, it's not even a pie. That's all I gotta say. They should just call these cookie sandwiches. But yeah, in here I don't really taste the cinnamon though. I mean, I can kind of smell it, but taste-wise, I don't really taste it. But yes, this right here, this is like going over to your grandma's house and asking for cookies. Cause yeah, I'm in dessert heaven right now. Also, before I end the video, all I gotta say is that this is gonna be my last video of being in this house. Cause I'm moving back to Tampa, I'm gonna be living with my older sister in an apartment, and yep, things are gonna change. Plus, I'm gonna be graduating college in a few weeks from now.
So yep, congratulations to me. Yeah, I'm really excited to move back to Tampa. You know, new experiences, getting a job, seeing old friends, seeing new friends. Being in my hometown is gonna be so good. I'm so excited to be back. And you gotta really enjoy like this house, the scenery, like while it lasts, because once I'm gone, I'm gone. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!